Hello, my people. Wagwan. I'm ZK from Money Club. You already know the pattern by now. Here again. So I'm coming to the end of the week. It's a Friday right now. Obviously, new YouTube videos up. Hopefully, get this one out by tomorrow. We'll see how today goes, man. I don't want to be in a trade too long because it is Friday, closing market today. So let's see how it plays out, man. Yeah, looking at some nice stuff. Bitcoin has made a slight recovery. Let's have a little look here. Sales just 6 is fuck them. Has made a slight recovery. But I still think we could see bearish price action. Just a bit more of a transfer between weak to strong hands before we go anywhere. Same sort of thing with XRP. Obviously, they're all going to follow Bitcoin, as we said last video. Bitcoin's a daddy. All got to follow the leader right now. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date as usual. I'm trying to see if I can get a sell off GDP AUD, but it's not really playing games with regards to coming to my zone. So I'll keep you, man, in the loop, and we'll go from there. Right. It's broken structure. I like that. If I can get a pullback, retest 50% of that zone, I'm a happy boy. I will be taking sales. So I'm printing it up now. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can make some money today, blood. You know what I mean? Well, that's the aim of the game. But I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be trading. So I can't complain. I cannot complain, bruv. If this doesn't give me an entry and a half of the zone, I don't like that. I'm just not. It's not the risk reward I'm looking for, unfortunately. For the whole zone, I don't care for it. It's like a 10 pip stop loss. I'm really not in the market for that. I'm really aiming for freeze. That's my average. Otherwise, my risk reward sure can. But let's have a little look. See what price action prints me. I'm pretty sure GN is moving as well, but we'll keep active with it. See what this wants to do. It might just want to come and just mitigate these orders in here and take that out. You never know. So we'll obviously play with structure. Not play with structure, but we'll play what we see. Don't force trades, blood. That's how you lose money. So play what we see. If it doesn't set up perfectly, then I'm not taking it. And we will go from there, blood. But yeah, I'd quite like that idea, to be honest with you. All the way down. So let's see if we can get a set up in these areas, bruv. You know what I mean? You get me? In. I like that. Come into the zone. Let me see if I can target here for break even. Let me just move this across so you man can see it. Yeah. I like that. Order mitigation, your little leapfrog effect. See if we can target lows. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. And it comes up here, it might do that, it might not. Yeah, so stay tuned, blood. Let's have a little look. So we're seeing a nice little push away from it. This is an area where I think it could reverse. So if I can partial early, that'd be nice. But again, if it wants to reverse, that's just one of those things, bruv. Yeah, like I'm not gonna bend my strategy, twist my normal routine, because of my emotions. I couldn't give a fuck, fam. Get me? Like, shit. It is what it is. Boom. Just taking my break even there. So I'm breaking even on this trade. Yeah, we'll let it do its thing. Again, you man know the pattern. When it comes back, if it does, I will most likely take partials again at this area. Partials again at this area. Partials again at this area. So yeah, let's see how it plays out, man. See how it plays out. You know the pattern as well. So this is my break even. I'm going to bring my break even just up to that high there. So the 1.77501. That's me. Yeah, that's where I'm going to bring it to. You'll hear me do that now. Ready? Kadoosh. Yeah, Mr. Miyagi King. Not Mr. Miyagi. What am I on about? Kung Fu Panda. Kadoosh. You get me? Right. Yeah, I'll catch up with you, man, a little bit. Right. We've sort of absorbed orders off this POI here. You can tell there's a bit of imbalance. There was a nice little order block on the lower time frame. We absorbed those orders and pushed through. So I will now be expecting it to push through to at least to these prices here. Because there is another sort of potential POI there. If we get, I'd like to see it come through and break through that, because the real movement on the high time frame is lower down. That's why I'm really trying to see that movement there. But anything can happen, especially in these low time frames. It could come here, spike 25 pips, and then come back down. So we'll play it by ear. We'll see. Obviously, I'll keep you updated with it. What I'm probably going to do next is bring my stop loss just to this most recent high here. Yeah, secure some profits on the way down. This is my next partial zone. So yeah, let's see what we can do, bruv. 77443. 77443. You want to hear the kadoosh? Kadoosh. You get me? Cool. Yeah, let's see how it goes, man. I'm currently up like 2R. Nothing special. But we're moving, blood. You get me? Right, I thought I'd clean the chart up a little bit. So we are breaking down. Again, it sort of looks like we potentially might be forming a maybe a little bit of a shift in structure. So we'll play it by ear. If I do see a bullish setup, then I'm going to be taking it. Yeah, hedge it, whatever. And I will let you guys know. So just keep sat there, blood. Yeah, it's coming, man. Yo, wagwan. We're pushing, baby. I do want to say come and liquidate this, bruv. You know what I mean, bruv? Yeah. Jesus. Hey, if it does, it will be lovely. That's obviously my next partial zone. I will be trailing my stop loss, but I like the way it's sort of absorbing orders. Instead of the volatile movement to the upside, it's quite, there's a lot of wickage going on, and then bigger pushes down to the bottom side. So we'll keep pressing forward. If it reverses, it reverses. If it doesn't, fucking come on. But we stay steady. There's nothing else really setting up for me at the moment. If there is, obviously, man will show you, man, innit? So don't stress that. Right, so we are breaking below structure now. So there's going to be two scenarios that's going to play out here. So I'm going to break below this structure and then form an accumulation and start moving prices to the high side. Okay, actually, there's three potentials. So I'm going to do that, form an accumulation, move to the higher side, and we're going to print higher prices. We might change sort of the outlook, or it's going to break through and just keep going. Yeah, it's just going to drop. It ain't going to come back. Or it's going to break through, coming back into the zone, maybe mitigate these order blocks in here, print higher prices to a certain degree, get people on the wrong side, and then continue the press to the bottom side. So let's see how it goes. Obviously, no one knows what's going to happen. It could literally just come back up, boom, and stop me out. That's just life, bruv. Yeah? You're going to take L's. It's how you deal with the L's. So let's just keep going, bruv. I'm probably gonna grab a cup of tea, fucking cup of tea, mate. Little biscuit, and yeah, smoke a fag, and then we'll keep going, blood. Hey, yo, my people. Oh, yo, it would chase me a little bit, and I was watching. It's just been fucking rejected a little bit from that zone, innit? Jesus. I would expect now the continuation. We've come back in, like I said, came back in, created that bullish sentiment, get people in on that wrong side, and then we just mock it, bruv. Smash straight through all their stop losses and buy entries and all of that. And now we're moving. So I'll probably catch up with you if it does come down to here. What I'm probably gonna do now is I want to see it move a little bit lower. Really, it has broken structure. I do want to move a little bit long, bring my stop loss just to here, just give it a little bit of room, and then see where we're going. But yeah, catch up with you, man, shortly. Yo, so this is the update. Yeah, price it just reversed. We are really pushing now to that top side. I'm probably going to be out of trading any second now. So yeah, one of those things, man. Oh, fucking hell. If yeah, I mean, we were good little bit up, to be fair, but that's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. We always get the next trade. I don't think, did that take me out? The spread might have taken me out on that one. Let's have a little look. Yeah, I'm out. So it is what it is, man. It's one of those things. Yeah, so let's look for, I'll be looking for, it'd be frustrating if it does push, but again, that's one of those things, man. So yeah, that'll probably be near the end of the video. If I do catch maybe a buy to the top side of one of these order blocks in here, then I will let you guys know. But if I don't, I love keep watching my shit, man. Hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. Follow my join my Telegram. All of these things. Show the support. Show the love if you like the videos. But yeah, love, man. Have a good one. Yeah, my people, I'm just doing a quick outro now. So this is the update. It did come below that structure to the left. It liquidated it, and it did do the second side that we talked about. Liquidate, reaccumulated, form that schematic. I would have got in right there on that push up if it broke that structure there. Unfortunately, it didn't. So I didn't get in. And again, that's one of those things. It's not always going to set up perfect for you. I'm not going to break my rules. So it is what it is. This one's running without me. I secured, I think it was like 2.5 hours altogether. Not massive. It is frustrating. I won't lie to you. It's frustrating when it does run your way for good 6-7 hours. And it reverses, but that is it. I've had it where it's come literally just above like here from our partial zone, and it's reversed. It's just one of those things. It's all a part of trading. It's keeping your psychology in that tunnel vision of you can't look outside it. You've got to stay consistent, well grounded. But yeah, man. So that's bringing it to the end of the week. I'm gonna do a few other videos, man. I want to know what you lot think. So slap stuff in the comments. Let me know what you want to see, Black. I'm there with it, man. I can do videos on all sorts. We'll go from there. Apart from that, peace and love, man. Big up.